Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So if you are thinking about signing up, you might be wondering, so what is different about Epicure? What can you offer me? Can you offer me support? Like why sign up with Epicure? Plain and simple. So basically you want to look around sometimes, okay? If you're just simply looking for a company to sign up for because you want to make some extra money working from home, that's perfect, you guys. Like that's the way to do it. But this is more for if you are wanting to sign up with Epicure because you know it is awesome and you love eating everything and cooking with everything, and we just have so many healthier options. But what does Epicure have to offer you? Okay, so as a consultant, people always ask me, do you get a website? Yes, you do. You do not have to pay for it. A website is so nice because customers do want to purchase online. They can message you and then you can actually input their order in your back office easily. But there are also a lot of customers that might just want to look online from your website, and then they might not even be thinking about purchasing anything. But when they're looking through, they might save items to their cart online, and then they go, okay, you know what? It's 11 p.m. I just want to order, so they might not think to message you. So they want to order on their own. They can. With your own website, they can. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to maintain it, nothing. Epicure does all of that for you. So it's amazing. You will have one for Canada and for the US. So you can pretty much get so many more customers too, which is awesome. We used to be only available in Canada, but now we are also available in the US, which is amazing. What else do you get? So we have actually team trainings online. So we all sort of sponsor people, but then there's always somebody higher up, right? And they will teach us all online. Okay, so those higher ups have been with the company for a long time. They're making a lot of money because they make awesome commission, all of that. And they pretty much teach us everything that we have to know to run our own Epicure business. They teach us how to build a team if that is something that you want to do. I never thought about building a team per se, but when I have people come to me saying, I want to make money like you, I love Epicure, I want to make commissions from that, can you help me? Yes, absolutely. And that's actually part of being with Epicure that I truly like the most. Like I love getting messages from my teammates saying, oh my God, like Andrea, thank you so much. I was able to make $200, just for selling Epicure. Thank you, so much for your help. Because a lot of people think, oh yeah, well, she can sell, but I can't. Or he can sell, but I can't. You can. Give it a try. It's not about, calling people and saying, hey, you want to buy some Epicure? No. You just have to post one link here and there, post when you get Epicure in the mail, open it, post about it. People will go, oh, that looks good, that looks good. Well, hey, there you go. That's how online works. How many times are you looking online, just sort of looking away, and then you go, oh, that's cool. You didn't even know you needed that product, but you keep seeing it, these, ads, and that's how you purchase. So you're basically doing the same thing for your customers. So what else does Epicure give you? So as a consultant, you can order anything a month early. So anytime we have new products, you can actually order that a month early, which is so much fun, you guys. It is awesome. Like we have a new catalog coming out in May. As a consultant, you can order everything a couple weeks early, which, trust me, is very exciting because we always have amazing new products coming out. And the nice thing about doing that too is that you can actually order them and then you can actually like try them first, post a lot of pictures, maybe not publish the pictures until like a day before the catalog comes out to get people excited. But you want to try everything so that you can tell your customers what it's like, because people do ask you things like, well, is this really, really spicy? If you haven't tried it yet, they might not, they might be thinking, oh, well, if you haven't even tried it, like, why not, So you can actually try things too. What else does Epicure give you? We have conferences. We have all kinds of things all the time, both in person and online. It's just so nice to be able to work with a team. It is so nice to be able to make money from home, and you can do it as little or as much as you want. Like, you don't have to sell every day, you know, but the harder you do work, the more you will get paid making commissions. And then as soon as you do decide to build a team, you will also make commissions off of them too. So it can truly be that easy, and we're all looking for things to do from home right now. I can't work, so this is great that I have Epicure to help to bring in some money, right? Because I have been a dental hygienist now. I've been in the profession for 15 years, and I have my own business, hence my office chair behind me to see my lovely patients. But I can't see patients right now, so that's a lot of income being lost. Epicure has helped me with that, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to become part of my group on Facebook. Send me a message if you would like to be a part of my team, and I can totally hook you up. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.